up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot, hey, yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block, oh, yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love.
Me and Brody just picked up 2 Peds for $300. And we're trying to flip them. Bought them for $300. This one ran a while ago, but has a gasket problem in the carb. This one runs, but really shitty. Hey.
Let's see if we can get the battery connected.
Okay, so we just got this ripper running. I think we made shift a gasket type thing to fit the carburetor, and this thing's a ripper. Brody, you gotta rip this so the camera can see, but no, this thing hauls. There's no way this is a 50cc, but we got this one running good. We makeshift the throttle because the throttle cable snapped, so we heat wired a one of these and then a bolt, and then we put it. I don't even know. All right, hey, let her bark around the circle track. So yeah,
we'll swing by and let me know. And,
all right.
I'll contact them.
All right.
You know,
sounds good.
Like I said, I bought this on Amazon.
Yeah.
From Texas.
you bought it on Amazon?
Yeah.
That's what I told you.
Really?
That's both the only place you can buy it from.
And you got a ship from Texas?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But this is a 49cc, and I didn't even know the starter worked on it with the brake. So you guys
Yeah, I just figured that out too.
This is like a fucking. Oh yeah.
Got it?
Dude, we just got a steal.
This thing doesn't even have a mile on it.
It doesn't. The guy said
We just drove by and we saw it in the crevice.
and we saw it in that garage. We're like, oh my god, because we're going to get a battery for the other ones. And we're like, oh, so 300.
We got the battery right there.
$300 later, we got a brand new, basically brand
The guy
new.
didn't even know that you had to pull the brake to start it.
He didn't even know how to start. He said it didn't run because it didn't start.
And then I went in there, turned the key on, pushed the start button, and him and his wife were like,
I don't know. That's good. That's good. I was looking in the carb and stuff, and carb isn't dirty
dude,
at all. It's brand new.
Like, it has so much dust on it.
Guy said he bought it from Amazon.
Literally
So
brand new, dude.
and on Amazon it's like $700, and then to get it shipped is like
He says it's
$500.
I was like, yeah, it's pretty much $1,000 bike. They just fuck you with shipping. And he's like, no, it's a $500 bike.
No, it's not.
It's a fucking $1,000 fucking pad.
You could easily sell that thing for a lot.
I'm gonna probably post it for 800.
Yeah. Dude, why did it fall over?
Oh, is it good?
Oh yeah, nothing's.
Solid?
Oh yeah. Dude, like I said.
Why is there a nut sitting right there?
What the hell? Whatever. Dude, this thing is brand new. Look at the carb. Did you even see the carb?
It's good rig, I'm telling you.
Brand new tires. Literally, the nipples haven't even been worn off yet. Literally, no license required for a 49cc scoot. Yeah.
We're gonna have a whole dealership.
Yeah, we're gonna have a whole dealership. Little update, Brody. How's cleaning the Peds going? This thing's looking fresh, dude. I'm actually happy. And then these ones, I think we got running good, right? Yeah. This one.
Yeah, I'll start it.
Then this one runs good. This one obviously runs good.
Later.
Dude, that was actually pretty sick.
Finger. Oh my god. What do you think about this? You're on your screen too much. Somebody's coming to look at this for how much, Brody?
$700.
700. And we got 2 left. But this is like what, an hour into listing them?
Probably. Yeah. Oh my lord.
Spin. The guy's here to pick up the ped. Brody just went out there. What do you think, Landon?
Hey, close the hood on the 6.7. That's a bad look.
Oh, thanks for looking out.
Bro.
But I mean, she's fired it up right away. Right? It has battery, but it's also the electric start. That's the title, and then it had this. Replace that. Handicap for it. There's the title. Yeah, I don't care. You want to help me load it up? Yeah.
Yeah, we can help you.
Boys, I need a beer now. Yeah.
Hi, Poopy.
Piss right there, dude.
Well, Brody, we got 1 down, 2 more to go.
Yeah.
Already made our money back. How much? 600. So we made our money back already. We still got. We still got the one with 0 miles that we think is going to be the gem. So.
Later.
What the fuck's that turd wagon? Here, Easton, you record.
Okay. No, I'll record my phone. Want me to record?
Nah, I got it. Dude, there's actually a shit ton of people here right now. It's literally a Sunday night. It's a Sunday night, dude.
He's getting buried.
Is he actually?
Oh my god. Your truck actually fucks.
Dude, it's not bad. We're going to do a fat fucking burnout.
Do you have a limit on that thing or what?
Alright, he's going. Let him mark. Yes.
Come right here.
No, Easton, go way up more, up here.
Come here.
off, dude.
That was pretty good.
All right, let's hear it. Come on, Hunter. Let's hear it. Later.
So we just sold the blue one that was here.
We didn't get it on recording because it happened quick.
Yeah. The kid just came, took the moped, and then took off. But yeah.
Hopefully we're gonna
sell this one tonight.
And today's the next day, so in what, like 24 hours basically?
Pretty much. I got 500 for the blue one.
So you already made $500 because all of them were.
Yeah.
And total, he's already made $500 and still got to sell this one. All right, Brody's at work, but we have somebody coming to pick up this for $800. So yeah, we'll wait and I'll ask for permission to film and then we'll see if we get the sale done. Thing's pretty clean though. All right, we just sold the ped for $800. So we made 500 plus 800. We made $1,300 in profit. $1,300 in profit off of 3 mopeds in 3 days. Jeez, dude.